Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Navient account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in navient.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up on the Navient website, go and click on the login button at the top right hand corner. Now, you'll be able to see this customer login portal. To log in and access your account, you'll need to go ahead and enter your user ID and your password. But in case you've not registered yet for Navient's student loan service, then click on the register link and follow through the on-screen prompt. Once you have a user ID and a password, you can easily write it down in this text box right here, and also you'll need to type in your password that you created while signing up. And finally, click the login button to access your account. But if you've forgotten your user ID or your password during logging in, you can get help by clicking on Forgot User ID or Forgot Password respectively. After logging into your account, you can easily access your Navient account right away. Navient is a student loan servicer that services federal and private student loans. Once you are logged into your account, you can easily manage your payments, answer billing inquiries, provide information about loan consolidation, and so much more. That was how you can easily log into your Navient student loan account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.